The area of a rectangular banner is 2,661 square inches. The banner's length, x, in inches is 24 inches longer than its width in inches. Which equation represents this situation? So we have a rectangular banner, and we're told that the banner's length, x, in inches is 24 inches longer than its width. So we're told that the length is equal to the width plus 24 inches. So whatever the length of the banner is, it's equal to the width plus 24 inches. And this quantity length is actually, they notate it as x, so we can replace this x with the length with x. So we have x equals w plus 24. So now in our diagram up here, we're told that the length is equal to x, and we're told that the other side is the width. And what we want to do is represent the other side in terms of x as well. So what we can do is subtract the 24 from both sides. So that way we get w equals x minus 24. So that means the width is equal to the length minus 24 inches. So now we have both the length and the width represented in terms as a function of the variable x, which is the length of the banner. So that means the area is just equal to the length times the width. So x times x minus 24. And we're also given a numerical quantity for the area, which is 2,661. So the length times the width, the length times the width is equal to the area of the rectangular banner. So now let's distribute out the x here. So we'll get x squared minus 24x equals 2,661. And if you look at the answer choices here, we see that they wrote the equation in standard form. So in format they used was ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So they moved all the terms to one side. So we can do that as well. We can just move the 2,661 to the other side. So now we'll get x squared minus 24x minus 2,661 equals 0. So this quadratic represents the situation here, which is the area of the rectangle in terms of the length x and the width, which is 24 less than the length. So the correct answer here is answer choice A.